Hi friend, my name is Bambo-Jambo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently, there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crawler excavator, but first we need to assemble it. Excavator is a very big machine. It helps to dig trenches and pits. It consists of several parts. Let's get them all together and assemble the excavator. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, the excavator can drive. We need a platform on which motors are set. Trucks are attached to it. Trucks are needed to move over uneven surfaces. This is the rotary platform. Driver's cab and the engine are placed on it. With the help of this platform, machinists can control the excavator. And this is a boom. Let's attach it to the rotating platform beside a machinist's cabin. Boom is needed for the excavator to dig at a greater distance. The boom is attached to the excavator with the help of pistons. They allow to move the boom and the bucket. It remains to attach one. Excavator is ready. Let's see how the excavator works. Excavator is a need for every construction site. Excavators dig trenches for pipes and foundation pits for the future buildings construction. Excavator is a need for every construction site. Excavators dig trenches for pipes and foundation pits for the future buildings construction. Excavator's bucket lifts large piles of ground and transports them to another location. Pistons help to change the position of the bucket and the boom. The rotary platform can rotate in all directions. Inside the cabin, there are a couple levers for controlling the boom and bucket of the excavator. Dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble the excavator. See you soon. Bye bye.